Are you torn between Hexos and Unraid? You're not alone. Today, we'll compare these two popular tools to help you decide which one is right for you. Both Hexos and Unraid are designed for managing and storing data. They each offer unique features that cater to different needs, but how do they stack up against each other? Let's start with Hexos. This tool is known for its simplicity and speed. It's a static site generator, which means it creates fast loading websites. Hexos is great for developers who want to build blogs or documentation sites quickly. It supports Markdown, making content creation straightforward. Now, let's look at Unraid. This is a versatile operating system that focuses on data storage. It allows users to create a flexible server setup. Unraid is perfect for those who want to manage media files, run applications, or set up virtual machines. It offers a user friendly interface for managing storage pools. So, what are the key differences? Hexos is all about website creation, while Unread focuses on data management. If you need a fast website, Hexos is your best bet. But if you want to store and manage large amounts of data, Unread is the way to go. When it comes to features, Hexos offers a range of themes and plugins to customize your site. Unread, on the other hand, provides advanced options for data redundancy and backup. Both tools have their strengths depending on your needs. In terms of pricing, Hexos is free to use, which is great for budget conscious users. Unread has a one time purchase model, which can be a bit more expensive but offers powerful features. In conclusion, if you are looking to create a website quickly, go with Hexos. If you need a robust data management system, choose Unread. Thanks for watching. If you found this comparison helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content.